Hey guys, good morning. Today is February 28 and time check it's 6:02. I'm gonna take you with me sa work today. Mag-start yung shift ko guys ng 7 AM hanggang 7 PM. But today is a little different kasi may atinan kaming seminar. Kasama ko si Chanel later. So mamayang 4 PM yung seminar. Mamayang 5 PM yung seminar. Pero 4 PM kami aalis sa lab. Magpapak din ako ng extra clothes kasi yun yung susuot ko sa seminar. Alangan naman naka-scrubs ako, diba? So ito, this one and this one. So ipapak natin sila. So I'm actually excited kasi first time ko mag-attend ng seminar sa buong, magto 2 years na ako sa work. Pero this is the first time na mag-attend ako ng seminar. So medyo excited ako. So yung seminar pala guys is about hematology something. Advancement in hematology, something like that. Basta, I'm gonna take you with me and I'm gonna share everything na mangyayari today. Everything. So, ayun, I'll just pack and prepare my things and then I'll see you later. Probably kapag nasa lab na. Bye!
Yay, crinkles from Chanel. Wala, dapat na siguro kasi. Dahil MB. Yay! Thank you, Pose. Parang hindi ko ma-amaze ko ba? Yung sabi mo magaling siya. Makikinig ka talaga sa kanya. Talagang, like, parang talaga siyang professor. Eh, di ba prof talaga siya? Ah, talaga? Sabi din dito. Hindi. Mama sa Manila. Dala ko yung hagis. Oo. Ako natayo. Ano? Sabi mo? Machi! Hey guys, so we're getting ready na. As you can see. Nakakatawa, pareho kami ni Chanel. Hindi namin pinag-usapan pero pareho kami ang suot. you po. Oh, so nice here.
Turn right lang kayo tapos go straight.
Right po, tas thank you po. Right. Turn right, tapos straight. Go.
But not if ito na may ngala.
Here.
Just feel ko happen din.
Pampanga sila. Si Ma'am Joyce sa San Fernando sa ONA. Si Dr. hematologist.
Okay. Thank you po. Good afternoon po.
Again, we want to appreciate everyone ko, our guests, our speakers, our doctors, for your time this evening. And so without further ado, let's call on.
Thank you very much, ladies, and good evening again to everyone. We really appreciate you coming over on a Friday evening to hopefully learn something new, right? Advancements in hematology ang ating topic.
Good evening. It's always a pleasure. This is my second time here. So just like what Sir Ivan mentioned, we'll try to make it brief because I know it's almost dinner. Stage 0 is the nucleated RBC. You're familiar with it, okay? Your erythroblast. Stage 1, those are the most immature. They have very dense, almost your serum ferritin and reticulocyte hemoglobin. Hematology, but the problem is, it's, diba, slide lang kasi siya, you stain it and then you perform it, you count it.
Lahat po nakapag-register kanina. 3 lucky winners po yung i-roll natin sa ruleta. And our first winner, who will be receiving po our JBL Bluetooth speaker. Speaker, color blue.
Yes, congratulations!
For
Sana all! Ang raffle! Kakabahan pa rin.